Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a new phone number on Credit Acceptance. We will also put links in the description below for extended warranty and cheap car insurance programs. To start, open the website creditacceptance.com. Then click on Account Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the page. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. Under the Phone section, you will see an option for Add New Phone. Click on Add New Phone. On the field provided, enter the phone number you wish to add. Also, select the phone type, whether it's personal or work. After entering, click on the Update Phone button. That's how you add a new phone number on Credit Acceptance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.